In this video, I will discuss how does SAMe work. SAMe works by 1. Increasing methylation, 2. Stimulating polyamine synthesis, and 3. Increasing transsulfuration. By donating methyl groups, methylation, SAMe stimulates synthesis of DNA, cell division and DNA repair, RNA, controls gene transcription, proteins, neurotransmitters, improves brain function, and phospholipids. As a methylating agent, SAMe repairs DNA damage and mutations, supports normal growth and differentiation of cells, allows individual cells to better communicate with and react to their environment, and supports cognitive function. Through methylation of phospholipids, SAMe makes phosphatidylcholine. Phosphatidylcholine is present in all cell membranes, and it makes membranes more pliant, as opposed to cholesterol, which makes them stiff. Cells with an overabundance of cholesterol have malformed membranes, and this leads to changes in receptor distribution. Thus, signals and messages from the cell's environment are distorted or don't get through at all. Specialized cells need to communicate with each other in order to function like a cohesive unit, an organ. Signal impairment means impairment in cell function. SAMe protects and enhances cell integrity, and thus directly influences the functionality of all organs. Polyamines catalyze the synthesis of spermine, spermidine, and putrescine, which are essential for cell growth and differentiation, gene expression, and neuron regeneration. Through transsulfuration, SAMe is the precursor for cysteine, glutathione, and taurine. DNA damage accumulates naturally with age, due to free radicals made as byproducts of cellular energy production, abnormal methylation, which prevents DNA repair, and endogenous and exogenous toxins. DNA damage leads to abnormal gene activation. Cancer cells are cells which have the wrong set of genes turned on and off. DNA damage directly increases cancer risk, and over time guarantees it. Activating or inactivating genes can stop tumor growth. SAMe has been shown to positively influence gene activation by supporting methylation. Let's discuss another mechanism of action. People who are depressed, hostile, and angry typically have high homocysteine levels. Homocysteine also causes coronary plaque to grow and leads to heart attacks. Homocysteine can be neutralized via a SAMe pathway, if enough SAMe exists. The most common biochemical imbalances in people with depression are low levels of serotonin, affects mood, sleep, appetite, and learning, and norepinephrine, affects heart rate, blood pressure, and the stress response. Because of this relationship between serotonin, norepinephrine, and other things besides depression itself, conventional depression medication is riddled with side effects. SAMe supplementation works differently. It works by supplying the brain with an essential building block, SAMe, and thus allowing the brain to self-regulate. Also in the brain, SAMe affects the fluidity of neuron membranes, and thus how well a neuron transmits an electrical signal. This means it directly improves all functions which are accomplished by neurons, such as regulating your mood or allowing you to learn, memorize, and remember. Adequate SAMe allows the body to make proteoglycans, structural proteins, and increase chondrocyte numbers, cartilage cells. In this manner, and along with its anti-inflammatory and free radical scavenging pathways, SAMe counteracts all forms of arthritis. SAMe regenerates the cushion between bones, which gradually disintegrates in cases like osteoarthritis. SAMe regenerates cartilage and also bone tissue by inhibiting a pro-inflammatory cytokine called tumor necrosis factor alpha. TNFA is present in the synovial fluid of people with rheumatoid arthritis. In this video, you have learned how does SAMe work, and a few of the conditions that it directly benefits. SAMe is a part of my essential nutritional supplement stack. If you want to see which are the products I personally use,